gathering your ruffles. Each machine is different. The one that I showed in the class, it had, it ruffled not enough, even with the highest tension and the longest stitch length. But this machine has, it can go up to a 6 stitch length, which makes a difference, and I have my tension set at 9. Now this one actually gathers too much, so I'm going to show you that real quick. That's what you want. I mean, you don't really want it to gather too much, but you want one where you have some ability to change it up. So when it's done, it looks like this. This is one I did earlier. It's like way too short. Whoops, I fell. It's just like way too short. I mean, it's not long enough. It's pretty, but it's not long enough for your piece. You need it to be the full 45 inches. So when you lay it down, you know, you can see that it's not enough. I've got way too much fabric. So if you're going to gather it with your machine, and that was with the that foot that I used at first with the tunnel underneath, you could get the same results from a shirring foot. If it's too much, just take it out. I mean, it's easy enough to take those stitches out by just pulling on it. And adjust your tension a little bit. Like I'm going to try it with a normal tension now. And you don't have to do this on your regular strips. You can do this on a scrap, a fabric that has about the same width. So I'm just going to put it, because that was so extreme, I'm going to put my tension back to normal and see what happens there. And you want it to be half as long as it was, which is that formula of 2 to 1. So let's see if that makes a difference. Yeah, that's going to work. That's going to work. So on mine, this is one way to gather. I'm going to show you another way to gather, so it's going to be 2 separate videos. But that's about 2 to 1. It's like twice as, and if it's a little too long, it's okay. If it's a little too short, you know, if you make your threads a little long at the ends, you can work it a little bit, but mine was way too short, my first one. So hopefully that helps with your gathering. So gather up. I will show you one more way to gather, and then you can get started on your project. Okay, I'll see you soon in another video.